Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to connect your big microphone to what they call a computer. So now what do you need to do that? I went to this shop in Moodmeat called Marshall Music Store. That's where I got the device to do what I want to do. So but now I'm gonna go to the car and I show you what I got and what I've bought. So anyway, this is the thing we have to connect to the computer. Now I'm doing my videos and I don't have those mixers and stuff whereby you have to put that all those stuff. So what do? You buy something what they call a reducer. I'm gonna show it to you. It depends on which company we buy it from, but Marshall music store music did give me one which is very cheap. So now I'm gonna go to show you how you join them. You can see this. So this only you cannot plug it into your computer, so you need another plug which gonna help you to or put into your computer. So it's gonna weigh here, then you do what? Manage to put into your computer. Don't get scared to buy a microphone. Buy a microphone and you'll be able to do that. So we're gonna reach there, then I'll get it out, then I show you what to do. So this is my the microphone we bought yesterday in the video. It's the almost same place. This is the place I came when it was closed. So since it was closed, I went and bought a microphone. I didn't know that I needed something like that, you get me? So I thought it's gonna come with everything. So it didn't come with this. It just came the way you see it, like, understand? So now we on the car, by the car here. I'm gonna get that for you and you're gonna see it. Okay, open the car here and I get that microphone for you guys. Okay, now this is a microphone. Before I leave, I want to do this because if it's not working, it's easier to take it back in the shop. You see, this is what they call a reducer. This is what I bought. You can see this is the device I bought. So that reducer goes here, you get me? So this microphone cannot go into your computer. So you have, this is a microphone by itself, so you have to use a reducer. So let me get that for you. This I'm gonna open it. Using my teeth to do that. Okay. Yes guys, I managed to open it, the reducer. So here's the reducer. You see the reducer, I guess you can see it here. That's the device I needed. Just a simple thing. This goes to your computer microphone part. So this one goes inside here. So let's connect it and see. Okay, putting it in here. Yeah, it clicks in like tip. Yeah, it has clicked in well. Okay, so once it's in here, then you can put it in your computer. So now the microphone part is the microphone. So I'm gonna go and take it out from its box, then you connect it. I'm gonna connect it for you. This also, it comes unconnected, but it comes with a wire, a cable which connects to it, you get me? So I'm gonna connect it so well. Okay, I've connected the microphone. Now everything's complete, guys. So even if you want to put it in your phone, you can do that if the phone has that software to do that, you get me? So this is the microphone. So I don't have an extra phone to check for you to test this. So now we're gonna drive to another center, guys. That's the video I wanted to do because I didn't have a microphone and I really wanted to see my things go well. I didn't want to I wanted to throw this garbage somewhere. Let me put this in the car first. Put our microphone back. You know, we don't have to throw things any way we want. So when I go to the bin and I throw this out, then we go to the next center. I don't see any bin around here. Wanted to do that. So well, everything is complete now. You can do your recording. So if also you want to connect it to the mixer, you take out this, then you connect it wherever you want to connect. So this, if you have a microphone and you're looking forward to put it on your computer and you don't know what to do, you buy this small thing. It's called a reducer. You get me? So even me, I didn't know the name until when I went into the same problem. So I had to go and buy a reducer. So I got the name right. When I reached to the store, they told me buy this. So I put it in there, guys. So it was a very interesting video, guys. I wanna leave this place now. I'm going to the next center. I'm also gonna do another video on, I wanna sort out like a video whereby Facebook is busy taking money from my account. So how do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? So we're teaching people how to do that. So now we're gonna go to the next center where we're going to fix that issue, guys. So yeah, I hope, guys, this helps. And if you've seen this and you're done, I think it will be better for you to do what, to stop the video and buy that item. So once you buy that item, you're gonna be sorted out. You get me? So for forever. And you know, they sold it to me. It's like $2. You get me? But you can find some places they sell it $1, half a dollar. You can understand. Depends on the quality and the name of that reducer. You get me? And also, you might find something cheaper, but you buy it in a very expensive place. Expensive places, they charge based on the rentals they have in the area, based on the taxes. You know, there's a tax they put, but if you buy from streets, you know, people from streets, they don't usually pay taxes. But people from the big shops, they pay taxes. That's why I find the prices are a little bit higher for some items which you might think that they are a bit cheaper. So that you have to be aware. You have to find a way or a place where you can buy this item cheaper. So I didn't look into that because I was desperate. I didn't have that much time to look for things which are cheaper for me. But what I wanted to do is to solve my problem, and my problem is done, is solved. So I don't have that issue anymore, guys. So I'm gonna also sort out the Facebook stuff now, whereby Facebook takes my money for every month. They take out money from my account, which is frustrating, and most of people also, they don't like that. So this video, I did it because I suffered since yesterday to get back to my video recordings, because I didn't have that my microphone got messed up. And you know what, the mistake I made is, like, I bought a cheaper microphone. So when I bought a cheaper microphone, these small microphones, it got messed up by somebody, and then just detached it, and the cables were detached from the device. Then I didn't have a microphone no more. So that's why I've done this second video. The first video, we were looking for the microphone. The second video, now we got it, but now we didn't have a reducer. You get me? So that reducer is the one which was taking us out of the game. You understand? No, thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go now do another video for Facebook. Those guys who have problems with the Facebook Facebook taking your money. The video, you're gonna check into my videos, you're gonna find one of the videos there. You're gonna find that and solve that problem. So don't forget the reducer. It looks like this. So the microphone without a reducer is gonna look, you know, it's gonna look like that. You get me? So this is the device we wanted. We were hunting everywhere. I went to many shops, I couldn't find them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.